KERDI-FIX is a single-component sealing and bonding compound with a Sealant-modified polymer base. It is available in both white and gray and can be used for a variety of applications. It is odor-neutral, UV and weather-resistant, and contains no solvents. KERDI-FIX is elastomeric and bonds well to most materials, such as wood, stone, concrete, metal, glass, and many plastics. Let's take a look at some of the common uses for KERDI-FIX. Before any application, surfaces must be clean and free of grease or other contaminants. This will ensure nothing impedes the adhesion of the KERDI-FIX to the bonding surface. It is a good idea to use gloves when working with KERDI-FIX. KERDI-FIX can be used to waterproof pipe and valve protrusions in the Schluter shower system, in conjunction with the Schluter KERDI membrane and Schluter KERDI-BOARD. KERDI-FIX is required to bond the KERDI membrane to the stainless steel Schluter KERDI drain bonding flange. It can be used to bond KERDI to building elements, such as bathtubs, window elements, and door frames. KERDI-BOARD can be adhered with KERDI-FIX in various applications, such as partitions, countertops, and other building elements. KERDI-FIX can also be used with a variety of our profiles. For example, it is useful for bonding accessories such as corner pieces to profiles. Surface bonded profiles, such as the Design Base SL, ECKK, TREP EK, and others, are easily installed with KERDI-FIX. It is also suitable for use as a sealant or joint filling compound. The surface of the joint should be cleaned regularly and maintained as required. Please note that KERDI-FIX is not recommended in or around swimming pools. KERDI-FIX is very tacky, and despite our best efforts, at some point, we all find it somewhere that it's not supposed to be. However, it can be removed from tools and other surfaces quickly and easily before it sets. One simple way to remove fresh KERDI-FIX is mineral spirits. Make sure to follow all manufacturer safety instructions and provide proper ventilation. Another option is baby wipes. Keep them handy when applying KERDI-FIX, and as soon as the material hits unwanted areas, including your skin, use the wipes to remove. Always remove KERDI-FIX while it's still fresh. Once it sets up, it can only be removed by mechanical means, such as scraping or grinding. Schluter KERDI-FIX is a versatile product and ideal solution for a range of applications.